Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If a plus b equal 4 and 1 by a plus 1 by b equals 16 divided by 15, then a cube plus b cube equal to question mark. Solution. Given equation a plus b equal 4, equation number 1, and 1 by a plus 1 by b equals 16 divided by 15. লসাগু করে পাই b plus a divided by ab equal to 16 divided by 15, or a plus b divided by ab equals 16 divided by 15. By equation 1 we get 4 by ab equal 16 divided by 15. Dividing by 4 both sides we get 1 by ab equal 4 by 15. বিপরীতকরণ করে পাই ab equal 15 by 4. We know a cube plus b cube equal a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now putting the value of a plus b and ab we get 4 cube minus 3 into 15 by 4 into 4, 4 kata equal 64 minus 45 equal 19. Answer